Hello, in this lesson we are going to learn about face directions of our surfaces, how to examine them, and how to set a display color for our backfaces. I will show these points in the last file we have created. I'm not sharing a source file for this lesson because we are not going to create any new geometry. I'm just going to show you a couple of tools. When you are working with surfaces with no thickness, you have front face of the surface and back face of the surface. As you can see, they are looking the same for now. Especially working in sub-D, seeing back faces in a different color is convenient for us. To see the direction of a surface, you can select your surface and just write dir to command line. And Rhino will start to show you some arrows which are showing the direction of the front faces. So the other side is the back face. You can find this tool from Surface Tools menu here. You can use Show Object Directions. And whenever you want, you can flip the direction of a surface tool. For example, if we select this object and if we flip it, right now we see no difference. But if we examine the direction of this surface again, its front face is inwards and its back face is facing outwards. This is not preferable for us, so I'm gonna flip it again. I flipped it. After that, I'm checking the current direction. It's okay now. And to see the back face in a different color permanently, you can always go to Tools and Options page of Rhino. And in the Options menu, if you go to View, Display Modes and Shaded, you can find backface settings here. Right now it's set to use the front face color. I'm changing it to single color for all back faces. For example, if you set it to cull back faces, when you look from the back side of an object, it will be invisible or translucent. I'm setting it for single color for all back faces. The default color is the dark blue. It's okay for me. I'm pressing OK. From now on, we will see the back faces in a dark blue color. This will be important for different applications in the future. So being aware of the directions of the surfaces will be beneficial for us. See you on the next lesson.